Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to flip or rotate an image in Photoshop. So you'll see here that I already have my image open in Photoshop. And so all I'm going to do is go up to the image menu and scroll down to image rotation. Here you'll see you have a number of options. Probably the ones that you'll use the most are clockwise, counterclockwise, and then you might also sometimes choose one of these flip options. So let's just do a a clockwise turn, and you'll see you can continue to, if you weren't happy with that, you can just keep rotating it and rotate it. And we're back where we started. The other option here, and the counterclockwise rotation works the same way. If we come down to the flip options, what these allow you to do are to flip. And you might want to do this sometimes. You want to have a subject's eyes pointing in a particular direction. So if there's text on one side of the page, you don't usually want people's eyes looking off the edge of the page. You want them looking toward the center of your page. So that's one sort of situation where you might want to do a flip. Or if you just have a pattern that you, for some reason, want reversed. You do have to be careful in photos that have text. Flipping those, you'll see it also flips the text. So it's a dead giveaway that the image has been photoshopped in this way. So you can see down here that the word play is backwards, and obviously the play bar in this video is also reversed. So that doesn't look very natural. So you do have to be careful where and how you use these effects. All right, so that is how you flip or rotate an image in Photoshop.